What's going on, guys? I have a 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler and I need your help to get it fixed. Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant. Now today we're going to be taking a look at this new Jeep Wrangler and it has a problem and I need your guys' help to get it fixed, okay? I'll tell you what I mean in just a minute. Now if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that down below. Make sure you click that bell notification so you don't miss any new Jeep information. Now recently I had a loyal subscriber email me and say, hey Brandon, can you check this out? I'm thinking that it might be an issue, and guess what? He was right. He showed me a picture of his vehicle and several other vehicles that was on the lot at his local dealership, and every one of them had this problem. So I took a look on our lot here at the dealership, and guess what? We had the same issue. Well, today I got a brand new Stingray Jeep JL Wrangler in, and it has the same issue. So we're going to take a look at that and why I need your help to get it fixed. Now what we're dealing here with today is on the driver's door. If you take a look at the run channel, you can see where it's kind of pieced together. You got a piece here, you've got a piece here, and you can see kind of where this corner piece is put together. And if you take a look at this gap, this huge gap right here, okay? This should be flush up against the body. I'm gonna kind of press that in. Should be flush up against the body, and it's not. And what's interesting is this vehicle has 7 miles on it, okay? Now if you take a look at the back door, it's flush all the way down, no problems at all. And you can see here where it's put together, there it's flush, okay? But if you take a look at the driver's door, you can see this big gap. Now, is this going to cause a problem? I don't think so, and the reason I say that is because it's just a run channel. It houses the window when it goes up, and it keeps this glass in place. So what would happen if water was to get down in here? It's actually just going to run along the inside of here and come out down this area. Now if for any reason it was to get inside the door panel, there are drains inside the door panel to take care of any of that there, because you know water gets down in here too, right? So if water gets in here, there is a water management system for that in the door panel. Now what other kind of issues could this cause? I think this could cause maybe a wind noise going down the road. That's a great picture right there. You can see of this gap that's in there. Anything that's not flush is going to cause excessive turbulence, and I know that this doesn't look like very much, and it might not make much of a noise at all, but this could cause excessive turbulence on the outside. Now remember me telling you at the first of the video that I needed your help to get this fixed. Now how can you help get this fixed? I'll tell you. Currently this part number is active and there's no new superseded part number. Now for them to get a new part number, they're going to have to start to see multiples of these being replaced. Then they're going to get the returns, they're going to look at the repair orders and find out why it was replaced, and then make the change. So unfortunately there's going to have to be some replaced first with the exact same part number, all right, before the new part can be looked at, addressed, fixed, and then released to the public. So that's how you can help. Address this with your dealer. If you have this problem, say, hey, you know, I got this gap right here. It's just a cosmetic issue, and you might need to get it replaced. And if they do replace it, you know, it may be just as bad. I don't know. I haven't replaced this one yet. I did order one for this one. It's going to take several days to get in. So guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and also I want to give a big thanks to Harold, who was the gentleman that actually emailed me to bring this subject to my attention. So thanks guys. I hope you have a great day. Be safe, and we'll see you next time.